Germany, I'm packing my bag, I'm going. Hey, Deutschland. Today, what up, guys? Welcome to my channel. This is your boy Don Jeff. As you know, we always come with the truth, nothing but the truth. Today, we are going to talk about the new immigration law in Germany. If this is your first time watching me, here we educate each other, we learn new stuff. So if you are here to educate yourself and even educate others, don't forget to do a subscribe and let's do it. It's a family thing. Don't be selfish. This video is very important. You have to share it. Maybe somebody is somewhere, he has tried a lot of visas and visa application and they have been failing him. Maybe this may be his opportunity. So if you have the video, you share it to family and friends and let everybody have it. Maybe you sharing it to him, he can apply for German visa and he will have it. So let's do it. If you are outside Europe and you want to try Germany, this is an opportunity for you. This is the time that you have to try German visa. They've opened an opportunity for everybody. If you are skilled and you have the qualification, you have all that it takes, Germany is the right place for you. Maybe you've tried a lot of countries, you've done a lot of visa application and they have been failing you. Germany say you are welcome if only you have all that it takes. And it always remains the same. The process of having a visa is always the same, but now they've reduced some of their laws and their everything. They've reduced everything for people to just come and work in their country. You know, before in Germany, before you have job in Germany, they will first look for German citizens. If the German citizen cannot do it, they will give it to the EU citizens. If the EU citizens cannot do it, then they will give it to the migrants in the country that they integrate themselves and they know the language. If them also they cannot do it, then they will give it to the foreigners. But now they've abolished all these things and they say, welcome. If only you have all that it takes, come and work. If you are coming or you are going to apply for the visa, you need to have some money, some cash that can sustain you in the country. And also the visa they are going to give, they will give you 6-month visa for you to be able to come and work in the country. So if you are going, you must know all these things because they don't want you to come in the country. They come and depend on the welfare benefits of the country. So you need to make sure that you have enough cash to have your own house, to take care of yourself in the country, and they will check all these things before your visa is being granted. So I think it's a good opportunity. When we are talking about skilled or qualified people, we are talking about people with degree, with masters, people with some kind of skilled. I mean, it's not only about going to school, but if maybe you've worked in a sector for about 5 years, you are also a skilled person, you understand the job, you are also a skilled person, you can also give it a try. Let me come back to those in Europe. If you are in Europe, maybe you are in Italy, they said maybe 1 year or 2 years you can work with it. But according to DWT News, I'll put the link in the description below. You can go and read it by yourself. They did not say something like this. They just said Germany is looking for skilled labor. But they did not say you can work with your 1 year or 2 years or something in Germany. But according to some German news broadcasters, they said, yes, you can come with the documents and come and look for a job. It's a very good opportunity for everybody. We pray that it will be like this. When you are going, you don't have to go to the camp again because these are the main reason why they open this opportunity, because they want to reduce the asylum seekers in the country and the illegal immigrants in the country. That's why they've opened a job opportunity for everybody. So if you are going to Germany to go and look for the job, you must have enough money to be able to stay there. So you must have your own accommodation, you must have your own money to roam about, and you must also register yourself when you arrive in the country. You don't have to be an illegal immigrant over there. And those of you in Germany that you have the yellow card, I mean the Dolgen, if you have the yellow card, it means maybe you have to leave the country. Germany said he is giving you an opportunity. Just look for job and also integrate yourself in the society. Integration, always I keep on saying in my video, you must know that you are in somebody's country. When you are in Rome, you do as Romans do. So you learn their culture, you learn their language, you know how you respect the laws of the country. So I keep on saying this always. If you integrate yourself, he said if you have a job, they will give you a permit. So you don't have to go back home. You can still stay there and work. You don't have to be afraid and be hiding yourself. If only you found a job, you can still work. Don't be afraid because maybe you think no, the companies won't employ us because we don't have the specific permit to work. No, he said the companies are now given the chance to employ everybody that they want. So go and look for the job. If you have the job, the owner of the company can employ you. It doesn't matter whether you don't have the permit or you have the permit. No, they can still employ you. Those of you in Italy that I know, definitely many people will say, oh, we are going. You must be careful, because you must know that you are going to somebody, or maybe you have a place to go. You cannot go and still go to the camp. I repeat again. Don't go and spoil this opportunity for us. Don't go and spoil this opportunity for the intelligent people that they will take the right steps. If you are going there, you must go there and integrate yourself. This is a country of vast of opportunity. So if you are in this country, you must grab the opportunity. You must learn. This is what I keep on saying all the time. If you are in the camp, grab any opportunity that comes your way. This time around, they said they are looking for skilled. If you are not skilled, even if you go there, you will find it very difficult. So if you are in the camp and you are watching me, if they tell you to go and learn something, don't give up, learn it. Take even 1 year, 2 years and learn it. It means you are skilled, you've learned something, you have certificate for something. So this is what we knew about the law, and we will keep on following the process small, and we will let you people know. So for now, I think there is a good opportunity for all of us, anybody who want to go there. But please, if you have a good job, don't leave your job and say you are going. So this is what I have for you people, and I think I must also give you some of the job sectors that I think there's a shortage, and maybe you can also try, like motor mechanics, graduate nurses, and special fitters, carpenters, and telecommunication engineers. I think they need a lot. I've made some kind of I think they will need these sectors. So if you don't have the skill, my brother, it will be a little bit hard if you don't know anybody over there who will accommodate you in his house. So this is what the law says, and I don't want people to misunderstand the law. We are still following it. What I'm telling you is something I've read. So if you want to know more about this, I'll put the link of DW News, and you will go direct to their channel and read the law, because they are those who, I think majority of the people talking about all these things read it over there. So I'll put the link in the description below, and you will go and read it by yourself. So don't give up, keep on pushing. It's all about what? It's all about the hustle. This is your boy What. You want to know, if you want to know about the new Italian law, watch that video over here, and you know what it is. You will know more about Italy, and you will know more about Europe if you subscribe to my channel. So this is it. I'm out. This is your boy What.